brand new 2020 Tesla Model 3 Performance. Now, as much as I want to say that this is our car, it is our car, but as much as I want to say this is my car, I can't drive, so I can't consider this mine. But I am so happy that we finally now have a Tesla Model 3 Performance, and I will go all over the specs and what color we chose, what rims we chose in a different video. But I just want to go. Say one last thing about the car real quick and do it there. This car was designed back in 2015. And it's actually been almost 5 years since this car has been designed. Since we bought this car 5 years later, should tell you guys something. Let me tell you a little story real quick. It has been 5 years since this car came out. The iPhone 11, brand new, it came out around 2-3 months ago. And you can go buy one in a store with no line, and it came out 3 months ago, and it's freaking Apple. Car, on the other hand, came out 5 years ago, and we had to wait in a line for like 15-20 minutes in the dealership just so we can buy this car. And the dealership experience was the nicest experience we ever had. I mean, it was like basically hassle-free. We got in, my parents signed paperwork, and then we left like 15 minutes later after they showed us around the car. And it was just such a hassle-free experience. And the fact that people still line up and wait and die just to go and buy a car is just amazing. And the fact that other manufacturers provide such a nice delivery experience, and they provide like champagne and nice food just to get you to buy their car. And Elon Musk is being like, I don't care if you buy my car. You can buy it if you want, but if someone buys it, I do not care. And people are still waiting in line to buy this car, and you can't even take $1 off of it. And to that, hats off to Elon Musk. Hats off to you. Right now, I'm standing next to our brand new $60,000 Tesla Model 3 Performance, and other companies are coming out with like Audi and Mercedes are coming out with their lease specials, and Elon Musk on the other hand, it's like he's just standing over there and like he does not care if you buy a $60,000 Tesla. He just doesn't care. And 5 years later, he bought this car, and 3 months and people still care about it. And 3 months later, after the iPhone 11 came out, no one cares. Something. There is one lesson that we can learn from this car, and is that anything is possible in life, as long as you never give up on your mission. And Elon Musk did that by making this car, in reality, cheaper to own than a Honda Civic in the long run. After you think about it for a while, that is really insane. And to end off this video, I would like, Elon Musk once said, failure is an option here. If you are not failing, you are not innovating enough. And that is exactly what he did with the Tesla Model 3.